Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see an amazing strategy with only 2 indicators. Step by step, you will learn how to trade in Forex, stocks or any financial markets with a powerful strategy. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. HalfTrend indicator. Normalized smooth MACD. These are the settings for the indicators. HalfTrend indicator by Evergate is based on average true range, ATR, and it's similar to the supertrend indicator. HalfTrend gives an accurate reading about an ongoing trend. In addition, it also provides entry signals and also indicates zones where we can place the stop loss. We will use the default values. Normalized Smooth MACD, NSM, by Dreadblitz. This is a moving average convergence divergence, MACD, normalized with its highest and lowest values over the last normalization period. We only have to change the smoothing and normalization periods to 25. Let's start with the rules for a long position. First, wait until normalized MACD turns green. Second, we have to watch the HalfTrend indicator until a blue arrow appears. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we place a stop-loss order at the corresponding dot of the HalfTrend indicator. The take-profit order will be set at 3 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, wait until normalized MACD turns red. Second, we have to watch the HalfTrend indicator until a red arrow appears. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we place a stop-loss order at the corresponding dot of the HalfTrend indicator. The take-profit order will be set at 3 times the risk. Now let's make a backtest to this strategy. We will test it with the euro-dollar pair in a 4-hour time frame, and we will do it for 20 trades. Remember that you must test the strategy at least 100 trades before playing with real money. At the end of the video I'll show you the results of the backtest. Well, these are the results of the backtest. The strategy has been tested on the Forex market and the euro-dollar pair. The time frame is 4 hours and the risk per trade is 2%. The win rate is 55% and the maximum drawdown is 4%. We increase our account size by 58%. Finally, the length of the backtest has been 269 days. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.